ARB dual air compressor and test it out on the tires with our portable setup now. So this is the box that we built for it. This is the one with the accessories in it. So the hose, sealed pretty good. We aired our tires down to about 25 psi. So here's the compressor, here's our hose, and then we're going to use our ARB inflator here. Alright, so let's go around the front and hook up to the battery. Okay, so we're just going to go from 25 up to, actually it says 23 on here, to about 35 psi on the fronts and the backs. That's 35 psi already. Better than the Harbor Freight thing that we were using. Okay, 25 again. Harbor Freight one we were using. Yes, our humbuck front end is leaking pretty bad. It's up on the list of things to do. Okay, this one's at 23.5. Now. Now the nice thing about this setup is it's all portable, easy to put away, just roll up the hose and unhook your battery cable. This is what we were looking for, something nice and simple I can move between vehicles, something that will work quickly. didn't even really get hot, so don't really have to worry about waiting to put it away. There's nothing really, I can touch everything on here. That other one we have, the Harbor Freight one, it would get so hot you couldn't touch it. You had to pour water on it to keep it cool. We'll definitely try on the truck going from 45 up to 65 and see how long it takes next. Okay, so pack up is easy. You just throw your hose in here in our box, and then we kept the foam that this thing actually came in, and it actually works really good for storing this. Gauge. There you go, everything's in there in one nice spot. You just shut it. It's all waterproof too. You just got to remember to close that valve right down here. Toss everything in and you're ready to go. Pretty easy and simple. So that's the ARB dual air compressor. It definitely is a lot quicker, stays a lot cooler, works a lot better than the Harbor Freight version that we had. So I give it a thumbs up. Definitely a good mod to make, and it's nice to be able to have a portable version of that instead of just mounting it on your vehicle. You can carry it around different vehicles, or if your friend has a tire that's blown out far away, you can just kind of carry it over to them. So we'll definitely keep using that thing. I love it a lot. Pretty good upgrade.